Hi guys, I'm going to show you a recipe for this tramboncino squash. This is a type of courgette or squash. It's called tramboncino. So come with me as I show you. We are going to prepare the tramboncino into a delicious recipe. So we have washed the tramboncino, and what we are going to do now is we are just going to chop our tramboncino. So that's our tramboncino. So we are going to have the tramboncino together with something else you shall see in the video. So let's go on with the chopping of our tramboncino slices. About maybe a centimeter will do or so. So we are just making them into some wedges. We grease our baking tray. You can use some butter. Then we arrange our zucchini here. Tromboncino zucchini. This is our tramboncino zucchini. Tramboncino zucchini. Yeah, that will do. We can always have this in later. There goes our tramboncino. Now we are going to prepare the other partner for the tramboncino. That's the tramboncino. Now, which one is this amazing partner? Let me just put a little bit of salt on the tramboncino. Just to sprinkle a little bit of salt on the tramboncino. Now, okay, you can always soak it in water and it will come back to its normalcy. So the beetroot of staying, in the fridge. So even if you put it outside, sometimes it becomes a bit, tender. So we want it to be a bit tough because beetroot is usually tough. So by soaking it in water, I was soaking it in water here, and then partner with the tramboncino. So it's time now. In the meantime, we need to preheat the oven. We are preheating the oven. It will stay, these two will stay there at 180 for about 30 to 40 minutes. When they are tender, then you take them out. So let's prepare our beetroot. We're going to prepare our beetroot. We just need some thin strips of beetroot. This is to accompany the tramboncino. So we need some strips of beetroot. So we can have some strips of beetroot. Once, let's see if we can get some strips here. There goes our beetroot and our tramboncino. So we can always sprinkle some spices into the tray. So let's sprinkle some spices onto the tray, and then we put them into the oven. So there goes our tramboncino. Now we have the black pepper. You can choose the spice, but because this beetroot is thinly sliced, so they will cook at the same time. So after sprinkling the black pepper, you can then add a little bit of olive oil. Sprinkle a little bit of olive oil. So we have our olive oil. I will run it down, run it along like that. Run it along your tramboncino and your beetroot. Run some olive oil. Run some olive oil. So I can add a little bit more. Just run some olive oil. Now, after running the olive oil along your ingredients, the oven is ready. So now it's time to 30 to 40 minutes. So our tramboncino and our zucchini goes on. Then it's time to let them cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. Guys, the tramboncino and the beetroot are ready now. I'm going to throw in a few leaves of mint just for 5 minutes. Just chop a few leaves of mint. This is just to add the flavor. Just throw in a few leaves of mint, chopped mint, and let them just for 2 minutes. Chino and the beetroot are ready. It's now to dishing time. Let's dish out the tromboncino and the beetroot. Look at that. And this amazing. Look at that. So it's dishing time. The tromboncino is soft and cooked. So let's dish out now. Wow, this is beautiful. We are dishing now. And the beetroot looks awesome. Look at that. So that's our meal. You can top up with a bit of tomato to make it look appetizing. So that's our tromboncino and beetroot. So please guys, do remember to subscribe to the channel and try this recipe, tromboncino and beetroot. Wow, let me give the beetroot a little chew. It's so tasty. It is soft and tender. Let me give the tromboncino a taste. Oh, let's see how it tastes. Everything is delicious. This recipe is awesome. Tromboncino and beetroot. It is worth trying. So I hope you have enjoyed, following up this recipe. Thanks everybody for watching.